Kungina kuni ati ura wari munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua na oranende niwe mutongere wa kiama kia DCP na uwete batina haraka ya kuithulano kaburukia tigitio chwa urais rungura ngwataniro yareani na thirikari na inyeleti atongeria baraba Rutero Regani ibekete oromwe na batiira bakwithira bake watanirebo kenda kumbo kidana na rais Ruto ithurano bia 2027. Caleb Mutembei no wina riboti.
Akiri musemanio na andiki nteto mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni ariretie buria kwarite na mpara area iri Northern Kenya na mathina kathumba maria aikariba gukurukira.
When one region suffers, the whole nation feels the pain. When one child goes hungry, it diminishes us all. This is why we must rise together under the simple but powerful call of Kenyans for Kenya. A reminder that our strength has never been in division, but in unity, compassion, and collective responsibility. Kenya is now facing a deepening drought and food security crisis that warrants urgent national attention.
Ariuga thirikari iri kumakira antu ni bateria gwaka damu na kunenkanira kigina gia gutethia kirugwati bwa mpwe kagita kareo.
Before a drought reaches the emergency phase, a responsible leadership does preparedness. With 3 failed rain seasons, what was expected? Building of water ponds, dams, and allocation of emergency funds in time to those in need. In a meeting yesterday, the government, in a typical knee-jerk reaction, allocated 4 billion Kenya shillings to 23 ASAL counties. This translates to approximately 173 million per county, allocated to 3.3 million Kenyans who are affected. This translates to 1,200 Kenya shillings per person. These funds are way below the minimum food basket recommended by the United Nations to approximately Kenya shillings 2,700 per person in the rural areas.
Ni akumeneria thirikari ni mbeca ire jurite kiri rwangi rwa SHA na inge ire itumikite buria gutiagirite.
In an expose recently, the Office of the Deputy President spent 338 million on private jets, chartered airplanes and choppers. Aden Duale's SHA business lost 11 billion Kenya shillings. This government does not take human life seriously. For a young man in Kenya, if they are not killing you in the streets, they are tear-gassing you in church or killing you with thirst and hunger in the north.
Ni akumeneria atongeria ba Northern Kenya ni kiria akuga ni gutiganiria aikari.
The leaders of Northern Kenya who cannot account for Kenya shillings 1 trillion since devolution in 2013 are quiet and enjoying luxury in Nairobi as their people in the north continue to suffer from hunger and anguish. The people of Northern Kenya are Kenyans.
Caleb Mutembei, Wero TV.